Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce a new educational course. This course is designed for professionals and enthusiasts looking to enhance their skills in automation anywhere. It is ideal for IT specialists aiming to enter the automation field, current users of the platform seeking to master advanced features, and developers and engineers involved in designing and implementing RPA solutions. Additionally, project managers, business analysts, students, and career changers can benefit from this course to gain expertise in RPA and advance their careers. This course, with over 1,000 students and a rating of 5, is a practical program. Its current price is around €20 and includes 2 test phases. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from its future updates. Now, I have an exciting offer for you, and I want to provide this valuable course to you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and type couponcenter5.com into Google search. From the results displayed, click on the relevant link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here, and you will be directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the main page of the website. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search function to find the course you are looking for. Now, you can see the desired course on the page. To get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the button Go to the course. The course has now been made available to you for free. Keep in mind that the coupon has a time limit. Now, with just a few clicks, you have legally gained free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.